A typewriter.
Yeah! I'm quite impressed you knew what it was.
Lindsay uses it to write her book.
That's definitely not where it goes.
Dear. Wait, no.
And then you lock in.
Oh, you have to smack it. Ah, Mom! It's like it's shouting.
You're shouting.
Whoa.
Tab. Tab doesn't mean. Ow. Kind of hurts.
Wait, I think I spelled it wrong.
There's a backspace.
Where's the delete?
There's no delete.
There should be an undo.
This is your undo.
We know what whiteout is.
That was not invented in like the 1800s.
1800s.
Look at this. It's my secret potion. I'm going to get into the mindset that I'm a writer on a boat. I'm writing a novel to my father because I've been taken away.
Careful.
You're not here, remember?
You need the capitals.
Oh, well, I've already started. Oh, I just did it wrong. Okay, wait, no, we gotta enter it.
Oh,
It's like an old tiny
no! A letter. Dear Benjamin, net 6 is dear Sinner. Oh, it means so much to hear that she's alive.